This is a factory in South Korea specializing in the production of banana bread, which can mass-produce 300,000 banana breads a day. First, pour the flour into the machine and knead it into a thick batter, then the batter will be automatically poured into a large container, and the worker will take some out of it, pour it into the bread extruder, and then put it on the transmission belt of the machine rows of griddles. The outlet on the top of the machine will automatically put the same amount of batter into the gap of the baking pan and arrange it very neatly. After the baking trays are full, several trays are arranged neatly and placed in the oven. The workers will continuously place the baking trays on the conveyor belt. In this way, dozens of trays of bread can be made in less than 10 minutes. After it came out, it turned into a plump banana shape, which was amazing. The freshly baked bread is brown and still hard on the outside. The workers then poured the baked trays of banana bread into a huge container with a serrated spatula corresponding to the shape of the baking tray, and pushed them to the drying area to cool. The vacated baking pan is then placed on the assembly line and returned to the place where it was originally placed for reuse. Workers will screen out some breads with uneven corners, trim them with scissors, and then pour them into a large plastic basket. The loaves will then be transported to another processing area. The workers first pour the bread into the cylinder, then evenly pour the syrup, and then dip it in the powdered sugar. The processing is complete. Finally, the workers responsible for packaging will put a certain amount of banana bread into the packaging bag, and then heat and seal it through a sealer, and finally pack it for sale.